Hello, it's Ashley. Today I'm so excited to introduce you to a brand new die set from Trinity Stamps for their June release. This is the Summertime Sips die set. It includes 12 dies to mix and match to make your favorite cold drink. The inner part of the cup can be cut out and you can make your cup into a shaker. I have some examples of this later. The cup without a lid measures about 4.4 inches tall and about 3 inches wide. This cup assembled with the straw fits perfectly on a slimline card portrait style. This die set goes so well with some of the new embellishments that have been released, and I'll show you one of those later. Now I want to give you an up-close look at everything that's included in this die set. So you've got 3 different size cubes, which are great for ice cubes. You have 3 little circle dies, which are great for like liquid bubbles or bubble tea bubbles. I have another example of that later too. And then as you can see, both lids, so the top lid would be for like if you're adding whipped topping, and then there's a flat lid. Those both have embossed details, which give it a realistic look. And then also the straw bend has embossed details as well. And so does the whipped topping. Next, I have some examples to show you. This one I made a bubble tea. So I cut out all those little circles and put them down at the bottom, and I put some acetate over it to make it look like a realistic cup. And I also made a acetate straw as well. If you're going to pick up this die set, I would also recommend picking up the Summertime Sentiment stamp set because some of these sentiments from these cards are from that set. The last card I have to show you today is a really fun shaker card. I used the whipped topping on this one and the domed lid. I added a whole bunch of embellishments from Trinity's shop. There are a whole bunch of new little fruit embellishments. I love these strawberries. I got a bunch of other ones too. Just check out their shop. When you're searching under embellishments, just type fruit and you'll see so many cute little embellishments. And they would all be fun to add to a die set like this. Next, I have some examples from the design team using the Summertime stamp set. If you're looking for more inspiration, be sure to check out our Instagram and Facebook page. We have a great Facebook group called Imagination, Inspiration, and Conversation that's filled with inspiration from the design team members and also crafty people just like you. If you like this video, be sure to hit subscribe so you never miss another video.